Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about vendor recipes in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and what I can tell you up front is that vendor recipes at the moment do not exist in Path of Exile 2. It was a feature that existed in Path of Exile 1, and with it you could sell unique combinations to vendors in order to get special rewards. As of the making of this video, that feature does not exist in Path of Exile 2. It certainly might be added in the future, but for the time being, it is not an option. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.